On top tori for today, Governor Godwin Obaseki tok say the security of life and property go dey receive better attention under him administration so that Edo people go dey do their work and business with cooler mind, especially as general election go take place this year 2019. Governor Obaseki tok this one when the new 4 Brigade commander, Brigadier General Greg Omorogbe, and him predecessor, Brigadier General Ibrahim Garuba, come pay Governor Obaseki courtesy visit for we state government house for Benin City. Governor Obaseki talk say this year na to focus on top of security because na election year be this, and because of the location of Edo State, it is important make we security structure strong well. Governor Obaseki still commends the former commander of the brigade, Brigadier General Ibrahim, for him role wey make we state government fit create the new security architecture and trust fund, and also for the way where the former commander take dey dedicated to him duty. Governor Obaseki talk say every time Brigadier General Ibrahim Garuba they always help with states with security challenges, especially when they be need to ensure law and order for some major streets where they inside Benin. Governor Godwin Obaseki dey tell the new 4 Brigade commander, Brigadier General Greg Omorogbe, say make he work well as the predecessor Ibrahim Garuba take work. Governor Obaseki still say him administration will support the new 4 Brigade commander, make it for achieve his goals. Brigadier General Ibrahim Garuba thank with governor for his support to the brigade under him administration. Ibrahim Garuba dey explain say the gather join of with state government and the brigade command now make the brigades they contribute their part to the security of we state, where the new security architecture and trust fund don't dey ground to support. The new brigade commander, Brigadier General Greg Omorogbe, assured the governor say the brigade command ready to support the work where him predecessor don't put for ground, and him go partner with the state and other security agencies to make sure say Edo State dey safe for Edo people. Now so the tori reach on top of how we state government wants make security tight reach for we state people.